welcome. And we have the car of the day. Let's take a look. The reactions are priceless.
Thank you very much.
No, you're very welcome.
Hey, good.
This is the 2022 Toyota Tundra. And I know it looks like crap right now. So this kit is gonna have Barracuda, which is this material with a square perforation, and it has the color underneath that it matches the wings. The wings are red with a matching stitch, and of course we're gonna have 2 mag pockets in the back. And every single kit, guys, is built with air reinforcements for the airbag, so it's complying with the factory specifications and all the other features from the manufacturer, like a carpets in the back, a carpet underneath, and all that jazz. So let's take a look at the toy. 2022 Tundra, and again, cloth seats. It ruins the whole thing. So it needs leather for sure. And we have our black rat. This is the front, guys. We're gonna replace everything cloth in this one. And you can see there is no mag pocket in the driver's side but the passenger. This is the rear seat. And guys, take a look at that. I'm telling you, ugly, uncomfortable, stinky and stained cloth seats. Switch to leather. Visit LeatherTeck.com or EM Upholstery Technology.com. Get the real stuff, guys. You deserve a brand new leather interior. Get rid of the cloth. You don't want it. It's horrible. And wait until I finish this installation so you can see how beautiful this crappy look kit is gonna look once it gets installed. What happened, guys, once it's out of the box, remember that this is fresh manufactured. So when you see it in the dealership, most likely these kits are being in the seat for 6 to 8 months, more or less. So eventually, once it's installed, it starts to shrink and it starts to go very, very smoothly. So that's the difference. But it's still, once you see how it's gonna be installed, you're gonna see the big difference that it makes once it has the body inside, something to fill it up. Okay, so I'll see you in the completion of the installation. Like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, please visit LeatherTeck.com, EM Upholstery Technology.com. Put it in the chat, make a comment, so get in touch. And it is completed, guys. 2022 Toyota Tundra double cab. This is the short leg version. And guys, what a beautiful Barracuda perforated interior. Beautiful. Let's take a look at the rear. Double mag pockets for the rear. And again, guys, phenomenal finish. We have this in different colors, different materials, perforations, exotics, you name it. Visit LeatherTeck.com, EM Upholstery Technology.com. And guys, get rid of the ugly, uncomfortable, stinky and stained cloth in your vehicle. Don't wait too long. Do it, guys. One of the best moments when we do this work is see the client's reactions once they see the interior. Let's take a look. Michael, how it looks?
Good, yeah, thanks a lot, Alicia.
You like it?
Yeah.
Fantastic, huh? How do you like it, señora? Fantastic, huh?
Thanks.
There you have it, guys, the Barracuda interior. I was telling the people in the video how the clients get so happy when they get their interiors.
Yeah.
Their reactions are priceless.
Thank you very much.
No, you're very welcome.
Dang. Good.
Good, right, Michael?
Yeah. Thank you.
There you have it, guys. Visit LeatherTeck.com or EMUpholsteryTechnology.com so you can get your leather interior and be happy about it. Thank you.